Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you this perfect look since it is spooky season. So I'm going to be starting off with my eyebrows already done. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then I'm picking up the color Chestnut by the Morphe 3502 palette. It's a beautiful like burgundy brown shade. It's absolutely perfect for the fall time. I'm just packing it onto my lid and then I'm going to be blending it out. I'm also going to be adding this color on my lower lash line. We're just going to be using very simple colors today and simple techniques. Then I'm picking up this shimmery similar shade to the one we already put on, but it's a little sparkly. I'm just putting that in the middle of the eyelid for a little highlight. The name is Polished, and we're still using the same Morphe palette. And then I'm taking this black eyeliner by Ciate London, and I'm just lining my upper eyelids with it. I'm using the cat eye effect to elongate my eyes a tiny bit. On top of that, I'm using a Wet n Wild eyeliner just to darken it up a little bit more. This is my favorite eyeliner by Wet n Wild. Then I curled my eyelashes and added some mascara and falsies off camera. The falsies I am wearing in this video were not as dramatic as I wanted them to be, so I did add some other ones afterwards. Then I moved on to blush. I'm just using the Shawnee Cosmetics Mini Masterpiece Makeup Kit. I'm using the number 6 palette. And if you couldn't tell, I did do my base makeup off camera since it is basically the same steps. If you want to see a whole video on that, I will make one. Just give this video a thumbs up and I will know. For highlight today, I'm using the e.l.f. Baked Highlighter in the color Apricot Glow. It's a beautiful peachy highlighter. It looks like glass on the skin and it is only $3. I rave about this all the time. Now I'm lining my lips with a Wet n Wild lip liner. I do not know the name of it. It has rubbed off, but it is a mauve brown lip liner. And then on top of that, I'm just putting some NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Berlin, which is a beautiful matte brown shade as well. And I'm using the other side of the Ciate London eyeliner, which is a star stamp. I'm just adding 2 little stars at the bottom of my eye. And that'll be it for this look. If you liked it, don't forget to comment, rate, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.